Huge Honda recall alert. Over 720,000 Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V hybrids from 2023-25 are being checked because the fuel pump might crack and leak gas that can lead to fire. If you smell gas while driving or parked, take your car to the dealer. Honda will check and fix the pump for free. That's not all. Some Accords 2023-24 had loose seat cushion bolts, January letters sent, and some had missing rivets in front seat belt parts, January 2024 letters. Dealers will replace all these parts for free, so owners should look out for letters or check online with Honda's customer service. Bottom line for viewers, if you or your family drive one of these models, get it checked very soon. Safety first. Thanks for watching the Car Profile channel. Hit subscribe and follow us for more cool news. Stay safe and see you next time.